Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Solid Tech. In this video series I will discuss about the administration of Linux server. Now in my previous video I will show you the advantages of Linux over a Windows and other operating system. Now primarily this video is focused on about general command structure of the Linux. Basically commands are very important in Linux. If you have mastery in command, then you will easily operate Linux and you will get a higher level position in Linux. So I will discuss the commands structure in this video. So basically the command structure or the command is composed of three parts. The first part is command itself. I will display the command in blue color. As you can see, ls, sort, grep, these are the commands. And after command I have an option, a component which is called option. Like here I show lh minus u minus I, this is called option. And after that we have an argument. Basically these, when we combine these pieces together, we have a good structure of command. So we will see one by one what are these and how we can use it. So this is the general command ls. Basically what ls does, ls shows the list content of a folder and files. It is equivalent command to the directory in Windows. So for example, if I will put lx minus lh, that means it will show the content but in long nesting and human readable form. So I will show you in few minutes how it works. Same times in this example I will use a command with an argument. Basically I will show the directory on particular location like usr/bin. I will also explain you the commands, the directory structure of the Linux in my upcoming video. So the command is the program you are running. As I told you, the command is the program you are running. These three are the command, ls, sort and greps. And the options tell the program how to operate. Basically the second part is option, which tells the program how to run. And tell a command how to operate. Basically what is option does, option tell a command how to operate, and option always start with a dash, usually one letter, two letter or three letter. Most command offer one or more option. For example, I have this command ls minus l /var/log. It has a one option. The same command has a three options. Basically this option means, minus l means long listening, minus a means show all the file including hidden one, and minus h means show the size of the folder in human readable form. So we can write down in this way. We can also write the option like this way, and we also change the order of the options, but it doesn't any impact of our command output. So we will also write this. So argument tell about the command what to operate on. Basically sometimes most of the time operators are basically the path on which we operate our commands. So this is the command general structure. Now I will show you how to operate them. So for this demonstration I will download Ubuntu workstation. You can also download Ubuntu workstation. Go open your browser and type Ubuntu, and on the first link click on the first link, accept optional clicking, and here on the top we have a download section. Click on that, and here you can see Ubuntu desktop. Basically it shows 22.04. 22 is the year, 04 is the month, LTS means long term support. Basically it support up to 5 years. So just click on that link and again click on the download now. It's starting downloading, but I cancel out because I have already downloaded and installed on my computer, so I cancel it. So the downloading is very straightforward, and if you want to install in this version of your PC, it is also very straightforward, because you just need to put next and you install your desktop. So this is my desktop. I will enter the credential over here. So for launching any application, there is an option, as you can see, show applications icon. I click on that, and here is a search bar. Here you can type terminal. Basically in Linux we call command line is called terminals. So I just click on the terminal. So this is the terminal is open. In Windows we call it command line, but in Windows we call it terminal. Here you can see there is some type of option here. I will explain you what does it mean. Salman means this is the username, @ and this is my machine name or host name. After that we have a colon and there is a $sign. So this is Windows, we call it command prompt, but in Linux we call it shell. So I will discuss what is shell, what type of shell are there in my upcoming video. But right now this is the shell. We call it shell, and in command prompt we call it command prompt. Okay, in Windows we call it command prompt. So the first command I will show you is pwd. Basically what this command does, it print me the working directory. It will show the working directory. Here you can note that in Windows we call folder, but in Linux we call a folder as a directory. So as you can see, I am here in my home folder as a user Salman. So every user have its home folder within the home folder with its name. So I am logging as a Salman. So first command is ls. What ls does? Ls show me the listing in the long format. So I click ls and press enter. So it show me the directories and in my current folder. So as you can see, I have a desktop, I have a document, I can download, I am in music, I have a public, snap, replace and videos. So now I will use the command with an option. The first option is -l. -l show me the same content with the additional information. So I click, and as you can see now I have permissions of my folders along with the name of a user, group name and the size of a folder. So I will add another option with it, which is called h. H means human readable. Now again I click run this command. So as you can see my folder size is human readable. Now it is 4K. So its size of the folder is 4K. So this is how we use the command with option. Now I will use the command with option with arguments. So I will show you the all the three components of command all together, like ls, -lh and usr/bin. So it will show the content of the folder on usr/bin in human readable form. So this is the way we use the command in Linux. So for clearing the screen you should type clear, so it will clear your screen. So in this way we use the commands very easily with the help of argument and options. Thank you very much for this video.